drop slide number 2 that I've made to fit my Dometic CFX-35. Basically what I've used from my old one is the side plate here, which mounts it to the platform in my Land Rover, the 550mm sliders, and the plate which the drop slide bolts to. Everything else is new. Larger tray, longer drop arms, and a new handle. Here it is in operation. Grab her in the middle, one hand, bring her back, down, and it drops down 22 centimeters, which makes it much easier to open and close it with cold drinks and food. And one more time, grab the handle, down, in, fold over the handle, and then I lock it in right here. And of course I have one more lock on that side too. I hope this here film encourages somebody else to make one just like this. Thank you for watching. Head up.